Hey you guys, welcome back to itslaroneppl. In this installment of our how-to series, we're going to be doing barrel rolls. So if you're interested in getting this look, stay tuned. So in order to achieve this look, what you will need is take a small section, depending on what you want your final result to look like or how big you want these. And once you have your desired section, you're gonna put the rest of the hair in a ponytail so that it's out of the way. Where you want them to fall is how you want to twist them. So if you wanted it to go this way, loop the hair this way. If you wanted it to fall this way, start wrapping the hair this way. I prefer mine to come down, so I'm gonna pull the hairs in the back of that and wrap. You can wrap whichever way you like, counterclockwise or counterclockwise. Just make sure that you're consistent with your wrapping on each of them. So if you choose to go counterclockwise, you need to go counterclockwise the entire time for your whole head. Same thing with retwisting your hair. So you grab a few pieces. If your hair is thicker, you can just use one. My locks are much smaller, so I choose to use two when I start off wrapping. So you take that. Since I want it to come this way, I'm gonna hold this down and bring the hair over, push it down, reach under, grab, and then twist. And then you wanna make sure you're kind of twisting on top of that so that you can ensure there's no spacing, and use your finger to hold it securely until you meet it back around. So up, hold, secure, round. And you keep wrapping this until you run out of hair, of this hair. Until you run out of this hair, you keep wrapping. So at this point, you want to hold this down, right? Like right here. Pick up some hair from here. Try to go with whatever the longest strands are, and then you're gonna wrap this while this is still out. You're gonna wrap it so that you can catch it. Take this, now wrap over that. Same direction that you were twisting. And you wanna stay as close on to that last row that you were twisting so that there aren't any gaps while you're twisting down. And you're gonna go, you're gonna twist. You're gonna twist. And you're gonna twist them. So as you're getting closer to covering that hair, you just wanna make sure that what you're twisting with goes all the way that way. So at this point I stop, pick up two new pieces, grab and hold down, take this around, finger, and now you're good to go, so that the little pieces don't sneak out. And as you get closer to the end, you want to twist it back up. So you take the longest one, fold everything else back up like that. You'll wrap it around, around. Then you can take those, whatever's left over for your around, wrap those together. It should look like that, little rattlesnake. And you're gonna secure that with your rubber bands. Wrap it like 2 or 3 times, or how many need it, and then you're good to go. So do that the whole way around your hair, and then you successfully completed a barrel roll. If you have any questions or need any additional help, as always, hit me up in the comments. If you found the content of this video helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to this page, go ahead and subscribe. If you've already subscribed and have not had a chance to hit that notification bell so that you're first to getting all the notifications for new videos that are posted, go ahead and hit that bell. Until next time, be easy.